Best Under-Desk Pedal Exerciser. Are you looking for the best under-desk pedal exerciser? In this video we will look at some of the best under-desk pedal exerciser on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeskCycle 2 Under-Desk Bike. The DeskCycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser is a compact, low-impact fitness tool designed for use at home or in the office. It allows users to stay active while seated, promoting better circulation, increased energy, and improved focus, especially during long hours of desk work. This stationary bike fits easily under most desks, as low as 27 inches, and operates quietly, making it ideal for shared or quiet environments. The DeskCycle comes in two versions, the standard and the adjustable height. The adjustable model allows for even more flexibility, accommodating different desk heights and user leg lengths, ensuring a more ergonomic and comfortable pedaling experience. It features 8 calibrated resistance levels, powered by a magnetic resistance mechanism. This allows users to choose between light activity and more intense workouts based on their fitness goals. With its smooth and whisper-quiet operation, the DeskCycle doesn't disrupt work calls or concentration. The LCD display tracks key workout data including speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their activity throughout the day. The pedals can be used with or without shoes, and the device is built with a sturdy frame for stability during use. Users praise the DeskCycle for its ease of use, build quality, and effectiveness in helping them stay active even with sedentary jobs. It's also a helpful rehabilitation tool for seniors or those recovering from injury, offering gentle motion without joint strain. Overall, the DeskCycle is a versatile and convenient under-desk exercise solution, combining fitness and productivity in a user-friendly package. Its adjustable version adds extra customization for comfort, making it suitable for a wide range of users and workspaces. Whether you're working from home or at the office, it's a great way to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Number 2. Flexispot Home Office Height Adjustable Cycle Desk Bike. The Flexispot V9 3-in-1 exercise bike is a multifunctional under-desk stationary bike designed for home or office use, combining work, exercise, and comfort in one unit. Built with a sturdy frame that supports up to 350 pounds, it features a large adjustable desktop, allowing users to comfortably work on a laptop, read, or attend virtual meetings while pedaling. The V9 functions as an all-in-one exercise bike, pedal exerciser, and standing desk, making it ideal for those seeking to stay active during sedentary tasks. It offers 8 levels of whisper-quiet magnetic resistance, letting users easily adjust the intensity of their workouts without disturbing others. The smooth, belt-driven pedal system ensures a quiet and fluid riding experience. Its ergonomic padded seat is height-adjustable and designed for extended sitting, while the integrated LCD display tracks essential workout metrics such as time, distance, calories burned, and speed. This helps users stay motivated and monitor progress over time. The desktop is both height and forward/backward adjustable for a personalized fit, and it's spacious enough for a laptop, mouse, and other essentials. It can also be removed if only the bike function is needed. This compact, space-saving bike features casters for easy mobility and a stable base for secure use on a variety of flooring types. It's especially suited for remote workers, students, or anyone wanting to add more movement into their daily routine without going to the gym. Overall, the Flexispot V9 3-in-1 offers a smart, ergonomic solution to integrate physical activity into a busy lifestyle, promoting better health, productivity, and comfort all in one device. It's a practical investment for those looking to stay fit while staying productive. Number 3. Vaunn Folding Pedal Exerciser. The Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser with electronic display is a compact, portable mini exercise bike designed for light indoor workouts, rehabilitation, and physical therapy. Ideal for seniors, individuals in recovery, or those with limited mobility, it allows users to engage in low-impact leg or arm exercises from a seated position, whether at home or at a desk. Built with a sturdy, heavy-duty frame, the Vaunn pedal exerciser ensures stability and durability during use. It features non-slip rubber feet and adjustable foot straps to keep the unit in place and provide a secure fit for hands or feet. One of its key highlights is its electronic LCD display, which tracks essential workout metrics like time, distance, count, total count, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress easily. The tension knob allows users to adjust the resistance level, offering customized intensity suited for gentle therapy or more active toning sessions. Its foldable design makes it convenient for storage or travel, and it's lightweight enough to move between rooms or take to therapy sessions. The Vaunn pedal exerciser promotes blood circulation, improves joint mobility, strengthens muscles, and supports cardiovascular health, making it an excellent tool for low-stress daily activity. It's especially beneficial for individuals recovering from surgery or injury, or those who spend long hours sitting. Overall, the Vaunn Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser combines practicality, safety, and simplicity in a sleek, user-friendly package. It's not intended for intense workouts but serves its purpose well in delivering gentle, consistent movement to help maintain mobility and health. Its quiet operation and small footprint make it ideal for multitasking, such as working or watching TV while staying active. Number 4. Stamina Inmotion Elliptical. The Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a versatile under-desk elliptical machine designed for low-impact cardiovascular workouts while sitting or standing. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for use at home or in the office, allowing users to stay active during sedentary tasks such as working at a desk or watching TV. This elliptical features a smooth, quiet pedal motion that supports both forward and reverse movement, targeting different muscle groups. It includes adjustable tension settings, letting users control workout intensity to match their fitness level or goals. The textured pedals provide stability and comfort whether you're using it standing or seated. One standout feature is the built-in fitness monitor, which tracks strides, exercise time, calories burned, and total workout stats, helping users stay motivated and measure progress. Its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use, and the simple assembly means it's ready to go with minimal setup. The Stamina Inmotion Strider is especially well suited for people looking to incorporate more movement into their daily routine without needing a full-size elliptical. It's quiet enough for shared workspaces and effective enough to aid with weight loss, circulation, or simply adding more activity throughout the day. This compact elliptical supports a wide range of users, including seniors, office workers, and those in physical therapy. It promotes better posture, muscle toning, and cardiovascular health with low joint stress. Though it doesn't offer the high intensity of a gym machine, it excels as a convenient and effective tool for increasing daily physical activity. In summary, the Stamina Inmotion Compact Strider is a budget-friendly, space-saving fitness solution for staying active while seated or standing. Its portability, dual motion pedals, and quiet operation make it a top choice for underdesk or home workouts. Number 5. DeskCycle Ellipse Under Desk Elliptical. The DeskCycle Ellipse Leg Exerciser is a compact under-desk elliptical machine designed for low-impact exercise while sitting, making it ideal for use at work or home. It's particularly well suited for those who spend long hours sitting and want to stay active without disrupting their routine. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures that it won't disturb others, making it perfect for shared spaces or office environments. This elliptical features a smooth, natural pedaling motion that is gentle on the joints, helping users improve circulation, increase energy, and burn calories without standing. It's designed with 8 calibrated resistance levels, allowing users to adjust the intensity to their fitness needs, whether it's a light warm-up or a more challenging workout. The large pedals are comfortable and support forward and backward motion to engage different muscle groups. The DeskCycle Ellipse is sturdy, well-built, and stays in place during use thanks to its solid construction and non-slip base. It comes with a built-in LCD display that tracks key stats like time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress easily. It is also compatible with the DeskCycle app for more detailed tracking. Compact and easy to slide under most desks, the DeskCycle Ellipse is ideal for individuals with limited space or mobility who want a convenient way to incorporate physical activity into their daily routine. It supports fitness goals while multitasking, whether you're working, reading, or watching TV. Overall, the DeskCycle Ellipse is a smart investment for staying active while seated. Its quiet operation, adjustable resistance, and ergonomic design make it a great choice for office workers, seniors, or anyone looking to boost their health without leaving their chair.